What if I told you the biggest reason you're feeling exhausted, distracted, or like your brain is wrapped in a cloud has nothing to do with your intelligence and everything to do with the modern lifestyle you're retrapped in? You see, the thumbnail you're looking at isn't just a simple split between two different people. It is a reflection of you. Two versions of yourself. One caught in the mental haze of 2025, and the other who finally broke free from it. Naturally, in today's video, we're talking about brain fog. Not as a buzzword, but as a real, creeping crisis affecting millions across the globe, especially post-pandemic. In an age of digital overload and dietary chaos, let's break down the image. On the left side, you see a young man hunched over a laptop, one hand on his forehead, clearly drained and frustrated. A sad pile of junk food, half-eaten chips and coffee, lies scattered on the desk. Above him floats a thought bubble that reads, "Can't focus." This side isn't just about procrastination or laziness. It represents something deeper. The chronic fatigue, short-term memory loss, irritability, and scatterbrained feeling that defines brain fog in our hyperdigital, overcaffeinated era. Maybe you've felt it too. You open your laptop to do something productive, and 30 minutes later, you're still scrolling, forgetting why you started. Or you're in a conversation and suddenly your mind goes blank. That's not just tiredness. It's your brain waving a red flag. What's causing this? Let's be honest. Our daily routines in 2025 are a minefield for mental clarity. Ultra-processed foods, endless screen time, erratic sleep, and the glorification of grind culture have all wired our brains for burnout. We think a double-shot espresso and a scroll through Instagram is a break. But really, it's a recipe for even more cognitive fog. Studies now show that diets high in refined sugars and processed oils are directly linked to inflammation in the brain, which affects neurotransmitter balance, the very chemicals responsible for your mood, memory, and attention span. Combine that with constant notifications, dopamine overload, and blue light exposure, and you've got a perfect storm for mental fatigue. But here's the powerful shift. The right side of the thumbnail, the same man, but his posture is upright, his eyes bright, and in his hand, a glass of green juice. Simple, natural nourishment. He's smiling, energized, and even flexing his arm in a victorious gesture. What changed? A fancy supplement? No. A high-priced detox kit? Not even close. The difference is a natural lifestyle fix, something accessible to everyone. This transformation symbolizes the growing awareness in 2025 that nature still holds the key to healing, and it starts with how we feed and treat our minds. So what does fixing brain fog naturally actually mean? First, it's about clean, brain-supporting nutrition. Leafy greens, berries, nuts, seeds, turmeric, omega-3, rich foods like chia or flax. These aren't superfoods just for Instagram likes. They actively nourish the brain, stabilize blood sugar, and reduce inflammation. A morning smoothie with spinach, banana, almond milk, and a sprinkle of flaxseed can do more for your focus than a bottle of overpriced no. And don't forget, hydration. Most people walking around with brain fog are just slightly dehydrated. Even a 2% drop in hydration can cause memory problems and reduced attention. Second, we're talking about sleep. Real, consistent, high-quality sleep. No more "I'll sleep when I'm dead" mindset. Your brain cleans itself during deep sleep, flushing out toxins that build up during the day. Without enough sleep, your brain can't even store information properly, which is why people with brain fog often forget names, lose track of conversations, or feel emotionally unstable. Just 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night can reverse weeks of mental fatigue. Third, we need to detox our digital environment. No, that doesn't mean throwing away your phone. It means reclaiming your control over it. Set screen-free hours. Turn off non-essential notifications, and replace the dopamine drip of social media with a walk, a book, or even silence. A simple 15-minute walk outside, surrounded by nature, or even just sunlight, increases serotonin and clears cortisol, the stress hormone that clogs your focus. Fourth, the magic of routine movement. You don't need a gym membership to fight brain fog. Just 20 to 30 minutes of walking, stretching, or any aerobic activity daily increases blood flow to the brain and enhances neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to grow and adapt. This isn't just theory. Thousands of people across the world are now returning to these basic, natural habits and reporting life-changing clarity. Imagine waking up, excited, flowing through your to-do list with sharpness, remembering tasks without sticky notes, and going to sleep feeling mentally calm instead of drained. That's the natural fix we're talking about. Back to the thumbnail. The final message at the bottom says, "See the difference?" And truly, it's a difference you feel on every level. The fog doesn't lift all at once, but with every natural choice, every real meal, every deep breath, every step in the sun, you inch closer to clarity. In a time when every second YouTube ad is selling a miracle pill or a 7-day brain cleanse, this message is a reminder. Your best mental state, ISNT, behind a paywall. It rests behind your daily choices. So if you've been feeling mentally foggy, emotionally stuck, or like your life is on pause, let this video be your sign. There is nothing wrong with your brain. You are not lazy. You are just overloaded. And there is a way back. Step by step, we'll guide you through how to naturally restore your mental clarity using proven, powerful, and accessible habits. Don't ignore the signals. Don't normalize feeling dull. Let's fix the fog and bring your focus back. Because brain fog in 2025 is real, but so is your ability to rise above it. Naturally.